Hi, Carol and Mike Church here. Thank you for joining us today. We are at Lake Robinson. It's behind us and it is gorgeous.
It's gorgeous.
This is one of my very favorite places in Greer to come. It's so beautiful and so scenic. It's also called the Small Jewell of Greer, and you can see why. It is outstanding. There's 800 acres. It's a fishing lake.
Yep.
It's also a drinking water source, so they do regulate it pretty carefully. Okay, it's owned by Greer Commission of Public Works. You can fish. There's bass out here, crappie, bream. There are restrooms. Yep. I'll take some pictures of the restrooms. And there are picnic areas. There's plenty of picnic tables out here. There's picnic shelters that you can rent for a party or gathering, whatever. But it's very nice. We're gonna walk down to the little fishing pier and take some pictures of that. But this is just a beautiful place to come visit. Just get here
Relax.
early in the morning, and it's just stunning.
Yeah.
I love it. So y'all come out and enjoy the Small Jewell of Greer, South Carolina, Lake Robinson.